Hello, grade 2 learners! Welcome to Maestro Mo YouTube channel. This is Maestro Mo, your online teacher. Please don't forget to click like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more educational videos. Happy learning! Mathematics 2, Quarter 1, Week 4, Day 4. Learning objective. At the end of the lesson, the learner should be able to count by 50s and 100s, not beyond 1000. Let's practice counting by 5s from 50 up to 100. 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100. Let's practice counting by tens from 100 to 200. 100, 110, 120, 130, 140, 150, 160, 170, 180, 190, 200. In this lesson, you will be learning to count by 50s and 100s, not beyond 1000. Count by 5s, 10s, 50s, 100s, digit, 2-digit, 3-digit, 1's digit, 10s, digit. You will be doing an activity individually. Let's first review the 10s digit and 1's digit. In the number 25, the 1's digit is 5 because it is the rightmost digit, while the 10's digit is 2. It is the second digit from the right. Encircle all the numbers that have 5 10's digit and 0 1's digit. Cross out all other numbers that are not encircled and boxed. The numbers that were left uncrossed are 50, 100, 150, 200, 250, 300, 350, 400, 450, 500, 550, 600, 650, 700, 750, 800, 850, 900, 950, 1000. Counting by fifties is another way to count, aside from counting by twos, fives, tens, and twenties. In this chart, we started counting by fifties from 50 followed by 100, 150, 200, 250, and so on. Counting by fifties means that the next number is 50 more than the previous number. The phrase 50 more also means adding 50. Thus, we can also say that counting by fifties means adding 50 to the previous number to get the next number. 400 plus 50 is equal to 450. Thus, 450 follows 400. What number follows 750 when you count by fifties? Correct. It is 800. Count by fifties from 50 to 1000. Counting by 100s is another way to count, aside from counting by twos, fives, tens, twenties, and fifties. In this chart, we started counting by 100s, from 100 followed by 200, 300, 400, and so on. Counting by 100s means that the next number is 100 more than the previous number. The phrase 100 more also means adding 100. Thus, we can also say that counting by 100s means adding 100 to the previous number to get the next number. 500 plus 100 equals 600. Thus, 600 follows 500. What number follows 800 when you count by 100s? Very good. It is 900. Count by 100s from 100 to 1000. How do we count by 50s? We count by 50s by adding 50 to the previous number. How do we count by 100s? We count by 100s by adding 100 to the previous number. Write the missing numbers. Practice counting by 50s and 100s, not beyond 1000. I know you have learned a lot in our lesson. Don't forget to like and share our videos. Again, this is Maestro Mo, your online teacher.